the set command. Here's how it works. Look, we've got a number on the stage. See it? So what does this command do? The set command takes the number you write in it, this one right here, and replaces the number we see on the stage with that one. Let's try it. Type the number 7 in the set command. Go ahead, type 7 in there. Now click on the set command itself. Click it. Now look, what number do you see on the stage now?
7. When the set command runs, it takes that number you typed and puts it into the variable right here. Okay, now let's try something else. Click the change command, yeah, that one, and watch what happens to the number on the stage. See? It's changing. 11, 12, 13. So every time we run the change command, the number goes up by 1, right? But what if we don't want to change it by 1? What if we make it 2 instead? Let's try typing 2 in there, and what do we get?
9. Exactly. Now it's changing by 2 instead of 1. Let's try it again.